A 5-ply pink milk cotton yarn. So first we have to make a slip knot like that, and chain 27. One, two, three, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Now we have 27 chains. Skip this one chain here and slip stitch into the next chain. That's one slip stitch, and then single crochet, half double crochet, and 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. After that, we make half double crochet, single crochet, and slip stitch. Like that. To these remaining chains, we have to make the same pattern. So first we start off with a slip stitch and a single crochet, half double crochet, and 7 double crochet. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then half double crochet again, single crochet, and slip stitch. Now we have done the right side. For the other side, we have to make the same pattern. So in the chain that we have inserted the slip stitch, we have to insert one more slip stitch like that, which will serve us. And then single crochet into the next stitch, and then half double crochet into the next, and then 7 double crochet. 1, remember to crochet this along so that you don't have to weave it later. So that's 2 double crochet. So that's 3, 4, 5, 7, and then half double crochet, single crochet, and a slip stitch. Now you have to make the same pattern here. I'm just gonna cut this one first. Oops. So where are we? Start off with a slip stitch, a single crochet, half double crochet, 7 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Itotal naman dito. 7. Half double crochet, single crochet, and a slip stitch right there. To close this off, we have to slip stitch in this very first chain that we made here. Itotal nam dito. I'm taking a video. Slip stitch, chain 1, and then cut off the yarn. And now we have this. Now we have to make the ribbon tie. So first we have to make a slip knot again. It's not focusing. Slip knot and chain 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Let me just count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And again, we have to skip this first chain and proceed to the second chain. In the second chain, we have to insert a slip stitch there and a single crochet, and then half double crochet, and this time we will be doing 14 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13, and 14. And then next, half double crochet, single crochet, and the slip stitch. Chain 1, and then cut off yarn. This is the wrong side. You have to do it like this. I'm too lazy to sew it. That's why I'm just gonna use a stick glue or glue stick or silicone glue. Like a mustache. I don't know. Let me put it in my bag. Now here's what it looks like on my bag. There. It's very cute to see. And the mirror there. you can also put a key here. There. Oh, it looks better on this side rather on this side, right? Oh, I think it's better if you glued this tie in between so that it won't be poking out like that, because honestly in this side it looks like a mustache. It's better on this side.